Hey guys, for those who don't know, my name is Darren Addison. I'm the founder of a growing system called Torpedopot. And what they do is that these planters grow your food for you. You don't water, you don't feed, you only supplement the plants. And you get to have food year round. Now, no shame to other gardeners. You guys do a great job. I love you guys. But this is about real food production, where we literally are providing food for you and your family for the rest of your life. You don't come outside, you don't take care of your plants take care of you. And so we've been able to grow so far about 35 beets, and the remaining ones that we have left, we let them go through the winter time so we can have them for next year. And we just reseed the pots all over again. In other words, we'll have beets for the rest of our lives growing in these torpedo pots. Yes, these are torpedo pots. All you do is put your seeds in and you come out and you harvest your food. And you get what you want when you want it. So right now I'm trying to find me some nice beets to carry inside of the house. And so I think I might have one. Let's see. See one there. See one here. That looks good. That's pretty big. Oh, that's nice. Let's try this one. And so what I do is that these are torpedo pots. I come to this planter, I throw my seeds in, fill it with soil, throw my seeds in, turn the planter on, and I walk away for the rest of the year. All I do is supplement based upon the type and the quality of soil that you have. And you get to grow food like you've never seen before in your life. During the winter. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? Guys, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing flower pots. They grow your food with no human intervention. All you do is take your seeds or your plants and put them in this planter, and it literally grows your food. Now this is going to be a delicious breakfast. A delicious breakfast. And I'm going to have a great time with this. Isn't that amazing? That is amazing. I love it. And so I've got a lot of these in these planters. And I love eating the leaves. They're so delicious, guys. They're so good. Guys, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. You don't have to worry about going without food again for the rest of your life. I got so many beets to choose from. I don't really need more than one. Let's pull out another one and see what we can get out of this. I hate being greedy. Because remember now, with torpedo pot, you simply leave your food or your seeds to sit, and you harvest them into red. Let me try the other ones first before I make a decision. Now remember, we've already harvested a lot of these beets. And the wintertime is slowing down, so they're really going through a settling down period. And so we love it, though. We love it, we love it, we love it. That's a nice one. Let's try this one. Guys, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds or your plants in the planter, and it grows your food for you. You don't have to grow your food anymore. It does it for you. All you do is come out and eat. There's no problem with food. We have no problem with food. Look at this. Just drop your seeds and plants in that planter, and look what it does. Isn't that beautiful? Is that not beautiful? That is absolutely stunning. And the foliage is absolutely beautiful. The flush is good for this time of year. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Torpedo pot grows your food, guys, with no human intervention. All you do is put your seeds in this planter and take off. Now, we're not just growing beets. We have celery, kale. We have different root crops that we're growing, carrots, radish. So All of our root crops are in the ground, and they're growing through the wintertime while you're going hungry, not having delicious food at your doorstep. I don't understand what the problem is. You put your seeds in this planter, and it grows your food for you. And how challenging is that to understand? It grows your food for you. We provide a supplement, an organic supplement for you. We don't use any synthetic chemicals, and neither do you. But we understand how plants grow. And that's what you're paying for. A lifetime supply of food using your Torpedopots. I'm going to go through, I'm going to go through my carrots. You're going to see those. Some of my other winter crops that are coming out. And I want you to appreciate the winter. It's not the time for you to run into the house. It's the time for you to come out and eat more healthy food that you've already established. And Torpedopot does that for you. Darren Addison, Torpedopot.com, Darren Addison, Torpedopot.com. Doesn't look like much, does it? But it'll feed me for the next couple of months to come. And I can come out and get what I want, when I want it, and it's fresh. Fresh food. Look at the root system in that. Isn't that amazing? That's Torpedopot. These are self-growing planters that literally grow your food for you. You do not have to grow your food anymore. Stop it. You're killing yourself. You're killing me. Stop it. Get yourself a Torpedopot. Look at how healthy that root system is. Tell somebody, can you see that in the store? Tell somebody to show you that anywhere. You won't find it. Outside, growing in the wild, using the least amount of resources to grow your food, but growing it the most healthiest way in the world. That's Torpedopot. It does that for you. It grows your food with no human intervention. That's all I'm going to say. So I'm going to go over to my other plants, and we're going to do some other videos of other plants that we're growing in the winter, so you can see what we're doing. Darren Addison, Torpedopot.com. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.